Good evening. I am Mrs. Cohn, your child's seventh grade general education language arts teacher. This is my second year at Raw Middle School and my 34th year of teaching. Some things that may be of interest to you as it relates to my class are how my class is set up in Canvas. So let's go to Canvas. Click on the Canvas link. Click on My Tile for Language Arts. And then we go to Modules. Modules are set up by the marking period, the week, and all of the days that are set up in that week. Each day has an individual activity. So if I click on Tuesday, August 31st, you would see that we had a bell ringer, that I introduced the concept of what is a roadway and the parts of the boat, and we'll do an activity on defining vocabulary. And this is the handout section. So every time there is something for someone to do, you'll see a PDF of that handout. And then the homework that's listed below. So that's how it's set up every week. And if your student or your child is absent, they can just go to the day in the week that they were absent and pick up the information that they needed to complete the activity, and then they can turn it in. So that is a great way for students to get makeup work. Another thing is that on Wednesdays, for example, on September 1st, I give homework, and that homework is due on the following Wednesday. So the links are always located on Wednesday to go to No Red Ink to do the assignment, and I'll pick up the grade in No Red Ink. So that is the best way that students can get the work that they are required to do in my class. Finally, the best way to contact me as a parent is through email or Remind. So if you go to my syllabus, you will see that the Remind codes are listed there. I hope that you got a little piece of what we're doing in class each day and how to navigate my modules. Have a great evening. Bye now.